Hello friends, I am Pradeep Palkar, working as a assistant professor in the Department of Instrumentation Engineering in AISSMS IIT Pune. So, in this video, we have to discuss unit numbers 2, project initiation and finance management. The first topic or introduction or what are the content. The content is important of early estimate, estimating work process, establishing and estimating work plan, methods, techniques of early estimate, and what are the estimate checklist, what are the documentation, project budgets and design budgets. Okay, already previous unit number 1 we have to discuss uh, what is mean by project management, what is mean by project team, what are the roles, responsibility of project team leader, and then design of team. Now, in this presentation, we have to discuss the importance of early estimate. What is mean by the early estimate? You know about that the estimate is a critical activity in project management. Accurate estimate helps in planning, budgeting, scheduling, and decision making throughout the project life cycle. You know about that, the timely decision making. The accurate estimate guides project timelines and resource allocation, leading to better decision making. What are the cost control? The effective cost control for an ongoing project is one of the most decisive aspect of successful project management. It begins at the point of earliest estimate set forth. Initial estimate will help to contain the expenditure from overshooting the limits, assure that a project will remain financially viable. When expected expenditure is therefore defined the early on, the project team is able to manage its outlay, make timely decision, and make the project within a budget. Now, development of the early estimate required a systematic process of researching, calculating, and documenting all the stipulated and anticipated cost. You know about the early estimate are appropriate calculation of cost, time, efforts, and resource prepared at the initial stage of a project. I will be again say about that the early estimate are approximate calculation of cost, time, efforts, and resource prepared at the initial stage of project. Why early estimate are important? Why early estimate are important? So you know about that helps determine whether the project is technically or financially feasible. Assign management in deciding whether to proceed or not. That is the project flexibility. Second, the important of early estimate is a budget planning. provides an initial idea of project cost, helps in arranging the funds and financial approvals. And third, very important, time and resource planning. Fourth, decision making. Fifth, risk identification is very important. Highlight area of uncertainty and high cost. Always early risk mitigation planning. And I think stakeholder communication is very important in the early estimate. Sets realities, expectation of the clients, customer, stakeholder, and avoid the unrealistic commitment. That is the important of early estimate. See here the estimating work process. What are the step number one? Identify the project scope, deliverables, define the clear project objective, deliverables to form a solid foundation. Now, the second step is gather the requirements and data. Collect necessary information from the stakeholder to ensure the accurate estimate. That is estimating the work process. The estimate work process is a systematically method to use to predict the cost, time, effort, and resource. Now, the third is break down the task and estimate efforts, divide the project into the manageable task, estimate the time, resource required for each, break down whole project, whole task breakdown in and estimate the effort, that is the how many human work need, how many automation need, the time decide, resource decides. That are the steps in estimating the work process. The fourth and very important is to consider the dependency and risk. Identify the potential dependency between the task and assess potential risk that may be impact estimation. And that is very important. Risk factor is very important in the every project. And dependency is also very important in every project. And fifth number, review and validate the estimate. Involve the stakeholder in reviewing and validating the estimates to ensure the accuracy. That is very important. Also, some consider the step number one, define project scope. Step number two, break. Step number two, gather the requirement and data collection. Step number two, break down the work. Step number four, consider risk and uncertainty. Step number five, review and validate. Now, these are the work process and what step number one depend upon step number two. These are the dependent steps. Thank you.